Assalamualaikum and good morning.
Waalaikumsalam, Madam.
Sore ni kita akan bincang UPS and Pspm question for chapter 2 ya. Okay, so tengok UPS question 1. This is log question with same base. Okay, question 1, log question with same base. So what law can we use here? At the left side. At your left side. We can use here law number 3, right? And at your right side, we can use law number 1. Okay, so we apply law of log. So we get log x power 2 base 3 equals to, this is law number 3. At your right side, we apply law number 1. So plus become times, so 2 times 3x minus 4 base 3. Okay, now we have single log both sides with same base. Therefore, x squared equal to 6x minus 8. Okay, rearrange until we get quadratic equation. Then we factorize this quadratic equation, we get 2 and 4. Therefore, the final answer is two values of x are 2 and 4. Yeah? For question number 1. For question number 2, given modulus of x greater equal a, then solve. Okay, for question 2, dia guna goal kan? Basic definition tu. Okay, so kita kena pakai ni jugalah. Goal, this is goal lah. Greater. Okay, here we have modulus at one side, so we use goal. Okay, greater equal, greater is all. Okay, so this is the question. So 2x greater equal x squared minus 3. Or this is positive. Another one is negative. 2x less equal negative x squared minus 3. Jangan lupa letak bracket ya. Sebab dia negative. Then we rearrange. Okay. So A is always positive lah ya. A is always positive. Therefore, x squared minus 2x minus 3. Okay, less equal 0. This is quadratic inequalities. Okay, so we factorize. Okay, factorize, we get x1, x3 less equal 0. So here is positive and here is negative. So for quadratic inequalities, what method we use to solve?
Graphical method.
Graphical method, okay. So your A is positive, therefore your graph is opens upward. Your two values of x are minus 1 and positive 3. Less 0, we shaded below x-axis. Okay, therefore your interval notation is from negative 1 to 3, squared bracket. Okay, so belah kanan ni pun samalah. Sentiasa buat A positif ya. So x squared plus 2x. So here is a negative is positive. So when we arrange, we get negative 3 less equal 0 kan. A sentiasa positif ya. A sentiasa positif. So this is a quadratic inequalities. So we factorize. So we get x1, x3 So here is negative, here is positive. So your A is so quadratic inequalities, we use graphical method. Your A is positive, so we use opens upward graph. Two values of x are -3 and +1. Less 0 shaded below the x-axis. Okay, so your interval notation is from -3 to 1. Square bracket because equal sign here. And now this is or is union. Okay, so we use number line to combine all these answers ya. Kita guna number line to combine jawapan, dua jawapan tu. So on your number line, we start from -3, -1, 1 and 3. Okay, here is from -1 to 3. Yeah? From -1 to 3, we use dense because square bracket here. From -1 to 3. Okay, here from -3 to 1. So from -3, we use dense because square bracket until 1. Okay, now or what's or? All must shaded. Okay, all must shaded. So what is your answer? So how to shade it? Single line we shaded. Okay, double line we shaded. And single line also we shaded. All must shaded, yeah? All must shaded. Therefore, your answer is, okay, we look at the shaded region. We start from -3 squared until +3 squared. Okay, union or all must shaded. Single line shaded, double line also shaded. Boleh ya? For question 3, okay, question 3 is modulus at one side. So we use goal ya, modulus goal. Okay, modulus with one side we use goal. So this is greater. So greater is or. Okay, greater is or. So 3 minus 2x over 1 minus x greater +3 or union. Okay, this is positive. Another one is negative. Less -3. Okay, don't forget to change your sign of inequality. Then we rearrange because we want 0 at our right side. We rearrange and equalize denominator. So your denominator is x minus 1. Your numerator is 3 minus 2x minus, okay, this is positive. When we rearrange it becomes -3 times x minus 1. Okay, equalize denominator. Then we get a single fraction form. So 2x minus 3x is -5x. 3 -1 is positive 4, right? X minus 1 greater 0. So this is a rational inequalities. So what method we use to solve rational inequalities? Tak apa kita pakai to solve rational inequalities. We use table of sign, yes. Okay, but you have to determine your value of x for numerator. For numerator, what is your x? 4/5. Okay, 4/5. Value of x of denominator is 1. Then we use table of sign. Okay, here we have two linear factors. Okay, two linear functions. So -5x plus 4, x minus 1, and your answer. Okay, so here we start from negative infinity. 1 dulu ke 4/5 dulu?
1. Madam,
Ya.
yang negative 5x plus 4 tu itu sebenarnya 5 plus 6. Kan?
Ya. 3 plus 3, right? Thank you. Plus 6. So your x for numerator is x numerator equal to ni dah lain dah 6/5 lah kan? 6/5, yes. Okay, 6/5. So after negative infinity is 1, yeah? And then 6/5 and then positive infinity. Okay. So negative 5x plus 4, your x value is 6/5. Oh, salah lah ni tadi. Tak betul kan? Plus 6. Okay, for negative 5x plus 6, your x value is 6/5. Okay, so here negative, yeah? X is negative, therefore, from 6/5 to the right is negative. Okay, because your x here is negative. From 6/5 to the left is positive. Okay, for x minus 1, your x value is 1. Your x is positive, so from 1 to the right is positive. 1 from left is negative. Okay, no equal sign, so all we use empty circle. So we multiply minus plus minus. So less 0, greater 0 is positive, yeah? Greater 0 is positive. Therefore, the answer is from 1 to 6/5 round bracket. Okay, ni jawapan kita kat atas tu. Boleh ya? Okay, kat belah kanan pun samalah. Rearrange and equalize denominator. Okay, this is negative become positive 3x minus 1. Your denominator is x minus 1 less 0. Okay, and then we simplify the numerator. We get 3 minus 3. Right, 3 minus 3 is 0. So negative 2x plus 3x. We get x, yeah? X over x minus 1 less 0. Your value of x for numerator is 0. Value of x for denominator is 1. This is a single fraction form, rational inequalities. So we use table of sign. Okay, we have two linear factors, x minus 1. For the number line, we start from negative infinity, 0, 1, positive infinity. Okay, so x here is 0, x is positive, so 0 to the right is positive. 0 to the left is negative. So x minus 1, your value of x is 1. Your x is positive. Okay, so 1 from right, 1 to the right is positive, 1 to the left is negative. So we times minus plus. So let's no equal sign, so all empty circle. Okay, because no equal sign. So less 0 is negative. Okay, less 0 is negative. So the answer is 0, 1. Okay, here we have two answers. So to combine these two answers, we use what?
Number line.
Yes, we use number line. We start from 0, 1, and 6 over 5. Okay, this is from 1 to 6 over 5. Round bracket, yeah? Round bracket, so we use empty circle. Okay, this is from 0 to 1. Okay, from 0 to 1, we use empty circle. Because round bracket. And then this is or, okay, or union. So we shaded. Mana ada line lah. Here. Stop at 1 and continue here. Okay. Therefore, your answer, dia cakap tak jawapan dalam bentuk apa? Oh, tak ada. So we can use interval notation lah ya. We can use interval notation from 0 to 1, union 1 to 6 over 5. Boleh tak kalau saya nak tulis jawapan macam ni, from 0 to 6 over 5? Can or not? Kena tulis jawapan. Boleh tak? Sebab dia shaded
boleh
on.
rasa boleh.
Boleh?
Rasanya boleh kot.
Tak boleh ya ni.
Tak boleh lah. Okay.
At 1, empty circle. Apa maksud empty circle tu?
Not included lah.
Not included, excluded kan?
Okay.
Kenapa 1 tu excluded? Why 1 is excluded? Kenapa 1 tu excluded?
Sebab dia tak termasuk.
Because 1 is the value of denominator ya. 1 is the value of denominator. Sebab tu lah dia excluded. Memang tak boleh exclude lah. Tak boleh include 1 tu. Kalau tak nanti denominator, we get 0. So, cannot. Okay, so jawapan ni tak boleh buat lah ni. Salah. Ini maksud dia 1 kamu masuk sekali. 1 ada dalam ni. Okay, sebenarnya tak boleh kan. Kita kena keluarkan 1 ni. Exclude 1. Okay, because 1 is the value of denominator. Okay, 1 is the value of denominator. So, boleh ya? Okay, question 4. Then question 4. 4 is indices. Okay, here we have 2x. Okay, cari 2x juga kat sini ya. So, we get 4 is 2 squared, right? 4 is 2 squared, change to simplest base. 4 is 2 squared, so 2x squared ya. Ada x kat situ. Minus 3 times 2x minus 4 equal 0. Ni tak boleh darab ya, jangan darab. Kenapa tu tak boleh darab? Why 3 cannot times with 2?
Different base.
Not different base, but different power.
Different power.
Different power. Power tak sama. Kalau power sama, kita boleh darab. Okay? So, let assumption lah ya. Ni sebab ada 2 yang sama kan. 2x, 2x. So, let 2x equal to a. So, we substitute here. So, a squared minus 3a minus 4. This is quadratic equation. We can factorize a1, a4. Okay, so positive and negative. So a is minus 1, a is 4 ya. So masuk baliklah kat situ. 2x equal to negative 1. Okay, can we solve this? How to find x? Different base ya, different base, so we cannot compare its power. But we can try another method, which is try to log both sides. Okay, kita cubalah log both sides. Because we want the value of x. Log negative 1. Okay, boleh tak log ni negative number?
No.
Cannot. Okay, so no answer lah. Ni tak boleh jawapan dia ya. No answer. Okay, satu lagi. 2x equals to 4. 4 is 2 squared. Same base. Okay, single base both sides. Therefore, x equal to 2. Boleh for indices? Boleh ya?
Boleh
Okay,
boleh.
question 5 is log with different base ya. Log with different base. Here is base 8, this is base X. So kamu nak tukar base yang mana? 8 or X?
X to 8.
Yes, we change base X to base 8. Okay, so we use formula change base. So 3 log X base 8 minus log 64 base 8 over log X. Log X base 8 ya, log X base 8. Log X base 8 plus 1 equal 0. Then we can simplify what? 64 ya, 64 change to
8 to the
simplest
power
base.
of 2.
Yes, simplest base is base 8. 8 squared. Okay, log X base 8 plus 1. So here we use law number 3 ya, law number 3. 3 log X base 8 minus 2 log 8 base 8 over log X base 8 plus 1. So log 8 base 8 is 1. So ni nampak sama. Log X base 8. So make assumption lah ya. So let log X base 8 equal to A. Ya, boleh ya? Sebab dia ada dua yang sama kan? Then we substitute 3A minus 2 over A plus 1 equal 0. So this is equation. So kalau ada equation kita boleh buat apa? Kalau ada equation.
Darab A.
Kita boleh jadikan, yes, kita boleh jadikan denominator semua over positive 1 ya. So we times all with A. Semua darab dengan A. So here we get 3A squared plus A minus 2 equal 0 ya. Susunlah dalam bentuk quadratic form. Okay, so siapa boleh tolong faktoriskan tu untuk saya? Faktoriskan quadratic tu.
3A minus 2.
3A minus 2. A plus 1
Oh.
Okay, therefore A is 2 over 3. A is negative 1. Okay, masuk balik dalam kita let tadi ya. Log X base 8 equal to 2 over 3. So how to find your X? Jadi kita nak cari X. How to find X? We change to index form. Okay? Change to index form. So X equal 8 power 2 over 3. 8 power 2 over 3 is 4 kan? Okay, satu lagi pun samalah. Log X base 8 equal to negative 1. Okay, ganti balik A is negative 1. To find X, okay, from log form we change to index form. Therefore X equal 8 power negative 1 is 1 over 8. Any question? Untuk log with different base. Tak ada ya?
Tak ada.
Okay, number 6. Number 6 is indices. Bersamalah ni indices yang kedua kita buat. Tak apa, cuba je. Ni 4x. Ingat ni tak boleh darab. Okay, this is 4x. So cari 4x kat sini ya. Cari 4x kat situ. So we get 4x squared, right? Here we apply rules of indices ya. Apply rules of indices. AM plus N equal AM times AN ya. Kita buat macam tu. So times 4 power of 1 lah. Minus 65 4 power of x plus 16 ya. Equal to 0. Boleh? apply rules of indices terus. Tak payah tukar kepada base yang change the simplest base lah, tak payah. Sebab kita ikut yang ni, 4x ni. Okay, and then let 4x equal to a. So 4a squared minus 65a plus 16. Okay, so this is quadratic equation. So kamu boleh factorize lah. Boleh? Okay, so what is your a? Bagi saya a kamu.
A minus 16, 4A minus what?
4a minus, apa a minus 16.
4A minus 5.
Okay, macam tu kan. Therefore, your a are 16 and 1/4. Okay, 4 tu kita tak payah tukar kepada base 2 lah, yang memang boleh kan. Tapi macam tak payah je kan. Sebab kita ikut yang sebelah dia ni ya. Kita nak benda yang sama. Okay, ni 4 power x. Ini pun kamu cari je 4 power x daripada situ. So tak payah tukar kepada base 2 lah. Kita nak ni yang sama ni ya. Ni ada 4x, ini pun ada 4x. Sebab apa? Sebab kita nak buat assumption x equal to a. Dan jangan lupa ganti balik lah. 4x equals to 16. 16 change to base 4. Apa? 4 squared, right? So x equal to 2. Ya. Satu lagi. 4x equals to 1/4. 1/4 is apa? 4 power negative 1.
Negative 1.
Therefore, x is minus 1. Okay, single base both sides. Okay, for question 7, sekejap question 7. Question 7, this is a modulus with one side. Ingat kalau nampak modulus, sebelah sahaja kita guna apa? What method we use? Goal, yes. Okay, goal sebab dia ada modulus ya. G-O-A-L. Modulus at one side. So this is greater. Linear sahaja ni senang lah kan. So 2x minus 3 greater positive 5 greater or ya. Greater or 2x minus 3 less negative 5. One positive and another one is negative. And then we rearrange. Okay, let x at your left side lah ya. 2x greater 8. So x greater 4. 2x less negative 3 minus 5 is minus 2. X less minus 1. Okay, so here we use number line. Negative 1, 4, from negative 1 to the left, from 4 to the right. Okay, union or all must shaded. So tengok dekat shaded kita lah ya. Tengok dekat shaded. Therefore your answer is negative infinity minus 1 round bracket union round bracket 4 positive infinity. Okay, boleh ya. For question B is a rational inequalities, no modulus. So jangan guna goal pula ya kat situ. So we rearrange sahaja ya. Rearrange sahaja. Because we want 0 at our right side. So 1 over x plus 1. This is positive become negative. 3 over x minus 1 less equal 0. This is subtraction of fraction. So we equalize denominator. Your denominator is x plus 1, x minus 1. Your numerator x minus 1 minus 3 times x plus 1. Okay, less equal 0. Okay, rational inequalities rearrange and equalize denominator. So at numerator, we get what? 1 minus 3 is minus 2 kan? Negative 1 minus 3, right? Negative 1 minus 3 is minus 4. Betul ya? Add numerator tu. Expand saja.
Betul.
Add your denominator. No need to expand ya. Tak perlu expand. Biar bentuk macam tu saja. Then determine your value of x. So value of x for numerator is what? Value of x for numerator. Negative 2 kan?
X.
Value of x for denominators are negative 1 and positive 1. For rational inequalities, we use table of signs. Okay, so here we have 3 linear factors. Okay, ada 3 linear factors. So negative 2x minus 4, x plus 1, x minus 1 kan. We have 3 linear factors. Then we use table of sign. Okay, negative 2x minus 4, x plus 1, x minus 1, and answer. Okay, we start from negative infinity, negative 2, negative 1, 1, and positive infinity ya. Boleh ya? So here is negative 1. So kita letaklah all sign. So negative 2x minus 4, your value of x is 2. X is negative, so from negative 2 to the right is negative kan? From negative 2 to the left is positive. X plus 1, your x value is negative 1. X is positive, so from negative 1 to the right is positive. From negative 1 to the left is negative ya. X minus 1, your x is positive 1. Your x is positive, so from 1 to the right is positive. From 1 to the left is negative. Okay, so equal sign. Equal sign here is only for apa?
Numerator.
Numerator sahaja, yes. Okay, equal sign is only for numerator. So we use a then circle here. Yang lain empty ya. So negative, positive is negative, 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 positive. So letaklah ya, ni boleh letak kan. Negative, negative, positive. So less 0 is negative ya. Less 0 is negative. Therefore, your answer is negative 2, negative 1, round, union, 1, infinity. Boleh ke?
Boleh, madam. Boleh.
Rational inequalities guna table of sign ya. Rational inequalities guna table of sign. So, kalau ada equal kat sini, ingat kalau ada equal kat sini hanya untuk value numerator sahaja. Value atas sahaja. Okay, value denominator always use empty circle. Okay, for question 8. Question 8 kamu buat macam mana ni? Question 8. We rearrange kan? We rearrange, okay? X minus 1 less x squared minus 3. Okay, if less equal, the relation is n ke or? Kalau less.
N.
Ya, okay, n. Okay, separate ya. X squared minus 3 less equal to x plus 5. Okay, so sentiasa A kita nak positif ya, sebab kita akan factorize nanti. So, x squared minus x. Okay, x squared minus x. So, negative 3 plus 1 is minus 2, right? Less 0. Okay, sentiasa A kita positif ya. So, kamu tengoklah siapa yang kena pindah. Okay, then we can factorize here. X1, X2 less 0. So positive, negative. So this is quadratic inequalities with A is greater than 0, A is positive. So we use open upward graph. Okay, your X value is -1 and +2. Less 0, we shaded below the x-axis. Okay, so the answer is -1 to 2. So ni pun samalah, x squared minus 2x. So -3 minus 5 is -8. Okay, for quadratic, we factorize, so we get 2 and 4. Okay, positive and negative. So quadratic inequalities, we use graphical method, open upwards because A is positive. Okay, so less 0, we shaded below x-axis. Okay, this is -2 and this is 4. Okay, so -2 and 4. So here we have two answers, right? Okay, we have two answers. So we combine these two answers by using number line. Okay, we start from -2, -1, 2 and 4. Okay, so here from -1 to +2,
Oh.
we use empty circle. Okay, here from -2 to 4, yeah, from -2 to 4. Square bracket, so we use then circle, yeah. Okay, so how to, so, this is n, yeah, n is what? N tu apa?
Both.
Intersection between two lines. Okay, intersection between two lines. So nampak tak intersection between two lines dia? Saya ada salah kira ke? Korang buat ke tak?
Yang positif tu madam tak tahu sign kan? Bukan
Yang mana?
Yang x squared minus x minus 2 less than
Square minus x minus
0
2.
tu. Madam nak tukar
Betul.
greater.
Betul. Salah lah dah ni. Jawapan dia pun salah kan. So ni lah salah Yes, betul lah tu. So ni sebab tadi A kan, tadi kan yang kita nak A positif, so dia greater. Yes, greater. So shade di atas ya. So the answer here is -infinity to -1 kan, union 2 to infinity. Okay, so from -1 to, ni negative infinity ya. Maksud dia from -1 to the left. Okay, here is 2 to positive infinity. So 2 to the right. Okay, baru betul ya. So satu line ya, satu jawapan tu satu baris lah. So intersection is we shaded two lines ya. Shaded double line sahaja. Okay, tengok mana yang ada double line. Ni lah double line, so kamu shaded lah. Ni one single line, so tak payah. So shaded double line. Okay. So therefore, your final answer is, tengok kat situ saja. Ni then circle ya, then circle from -2 to -1 round union. Okay, yang ni pula round 2 to 4 square. Final answer. Combine two answers by using number line. Okay. Any question? Ada soalan tak? Number 9 tu adalah chapter 1 kan, number 9 tu. Number 9, number 10 tu. UPS chapter 1 ya, dia termasuk dalam ni. Okay, dia masuk dalam chapter 1 lah. Ya. Number 12 macam tadi ya, soalan tadi number 8 tadi. Number 12 ni. Kamu refer balik lah question number 8 tadi ya, sama je. Ni kena separate ya, you have to separate. Sebab dia ada X. Semua 3 term dia ada X. So we have to separate. Boleh ya? Number 9, number 10 tu UPS chapter 1. Number 11 boleh buat ya. Number 11 ni senang juga kan. This is rational inequalities. So we rearrange. Okay, we rearrange. Minus 2x over 7. Okay. And then we equalize denominators. Okay, equalize denominators. X minus 4 ya. 7x minus 4. Okay. Sampai kamu dapat single fraction form. Okay, until we get single fraction form lah. What is your numerator? Numerator dapat apa? Negative 2x squared. Okay, lagi 21 plus 8n. 21 plus 8 is positive 29x. Kan? 7x minus 4 ya. Simplify your numerator. And then denominator tak payah expand ya. Denominator biar je bentuk macam tu. Lepas tu kita buat apa dekat numerator tu? At numerator we factorize ya. At numerator we factorize. So keluarkan negatif. So tinggal 2x minus right 29. Betul tak saya factorize tu? Cuba expand balik sama dapat atas kan? Negatif, positif right?
Betul kan?
Okay. Lepas kita dapat, after we factorize kita buat apa? After we factorize, we determine the value of x. So value of x for numerator is 0 and 29 over 2 ya.
7, 2.
Value of x for denominator is 4. Boleh?
Boleh.
Then we use, kita guna apa? We use table of sign. Because this is rational inequalities. Okay, here we have 3 linear factors ya. We have 3 linear factors. 2x minus 29. Okay, x minus 4 7 tu constant saja ya. Nak tulis boleh, tak nak tulis pun tak apa. 2x minus 29. So we start from negative infinity. Letak semua value of x yang kamu ada tu. 0, 4, 29 over 2, infinity. Okay, boleh ya? So x value is 0, your x is negative. So from 0 to the right is negative. Okay, kita ikut value x tu. Ke kanan dia tu ya. 0 to the left is positive. So 2x minus 29, value dia adalah 29 over 2. Your x is positive. So from 29 over 2 to the right is positive. From 29 over 2 to the left is negative. Okay, ni pun samalah, dah boleh buat kan. So negatif, positif, negatif, positif, positif, negatif, 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 positif. Okay, so soalan dia ada equal sign ya. Equal sign is only for value of numerator. sahaja. Okay, ingat, equal sign is only for value of numerator. So at numerator we use dense. Value of denominator always empty. Okay, so greater than 0 is positive. Yeah, greater than 0 is positive. So jawapan kita dekat atas tu lah, dah boleh nampak dah terus ya. Boleh ke? Therefore, your final answer negative, positive, infinity always use round ya. Negative infinity 0 union round 4/29/2 square. Okay, ikut sahajalah dia punya tu. Any question for rational inequalities? Tak ada ya? Okay, so tu dah tadi kan, tadi kamu boleh buat. So UPS dah habis. Pspm buat tak?
Ada yang tak tahu, ada yang tahu. Gitu.
Okay, for question 1, so that question 1. Okay, question 1 ni kita nampak apa kat situ? Kita nampak apa? Ada yang sama kan? Ln X ya? So kalau nampak yang sama macam tu, kita boleh buat apa?
Let.
Let, yes. Let ln X equal to A. So, kita gantilah. So A minus 3/A. Ni terus rearrange lah ya. Terus saja rearrange. So plus 2 equal 0. So this is equation. So kalau equation kita boleh buat denominator become positive 1 ya. So all terms with times with A. Semua term kita darab dengan A sebab kita nak denominator positive 1. So we get A squared plus 2A minus 3 equals 0. So this is quadratic quadratic equation. Okay, quadratic equation. So we factorize A1, A3 equals 0. So here minus, here positive. So A is 1, A is 3. So masuk baliklah dalam ni tadi ya. So ln X equal to 1. Okay, ln base what? Kalau ln. Ln is log with base E. Base E sahaja ya, ln. Ln is a log with base E sahaja. Then to find X, you have to change to index form. Okay, nak dapatkan X ni tukar pada index form lah. So index form dia adalah, ataupun kalau tak nampak ni, log X base E lah. Sama lah tu. Equal to 1. So change to index form. So X equal to E power of 1. Okay, satu lagi pun samalah. Ln X is minus 3. Ln is log with base E sahaja ya. E negative 3. Okay, then we change to index form. So X equal to E power of negative 3. Ataupun 1 over E cube. Boleh ya? For question 2 we have modulus at one side. So if we have modulus at one side, we use goal.
Goal.
Okay? Sebab dia ada modulus. So less sign kan? Sign dia less. So less n. Okay? So x minus 1, x plus 3, less positive 2. Less is n ya. N is intersection. X minus 1, x plus 3, greater equal negative 2. Okay, satu positif, satu negatif. Dan jangan lupa change the sign of inequality. Then we rearrange and equalize denominator. Okay, ni boleh buat sendirilah ni ya. Saya tinggal kat sini lah. Less equal 0. Okay. So ni pun samalah. X minus 1 plus 2. X plus 3. X plus 3 greater equal 0. Okay, bagikan bentuk single fraction form. Okay. Simplify the numerator ya. Simplify the numerator. Then we can use table of sign ya. Because this is rational inequalities ya. Boleh? So tunjuk dua table kat situ. Okay, tunjuk dua table kat situ. Then combine your answer ya. Keluarkan jawapan apa kat sini, apa jawapan dia. So ingat ya, equal only for value of numerator ya. Equal ni for value of numerator. So write down your answer here and then use number line. Okay, use number line method to combine your two answers. Okay, intersection and intersection. So intersection cari yang mana ada double line. Okay, shaded and find your final answer. Boleh tak? Tu buat sendiri lah ya. Kita dah banyak buat benda tu tadi ya, kat atas tadi. Okay, for question number berapa ni, number 3. Question number 3, log with same base ya tu. Base dia sama tu kan. Base 10. So kamu buat apa dulu dekat number 3 tu? Dekat number 3 kamu buat macam mana? Ni here we apply law number 3 ya. Apply law number 3. 1 change to log form. Okay, boleh buat macam tu. Okay, so we apply law number 3 ya. X minus 4 plus log 3 power 2. 1 equal to what? 1. Kalau nak tukar kepada log. 1 equal to?
Log 10.
Log 10, yes. This is base 10 ya. Plus log x over 2. Okay, lepas tu then we can apply law of log number 1 ya, plus ni. So 3 squared. 3 squared carilah ya. So we apply law number 1. 3 squared is 9 ya. X minus 4. So belah kanan tu pun samalah. Plus become times x over 2. So here we get single log both sides with the same base. Therefore 9x minus 36 we expand ya. Equal, ni boleh darab 5x. Okay, solve is to find the value of x. So we rearrange x. So here we get 4x equal 36. Therefore your x is 9. Boleh ya? B pun
Boleh.
sama. Atas tadi ya, B ni banyak soalan macam ni ya. Maknanya chapter tu ni dia sukalah keluar macam ni. Okay, modulus one side. Kalau nampak modulus one side, guna apa? We use full. Less and. Okay, satu positif. Okay, satu lagi negatif. Change your sign of inequality ya. Then rearrange and equalize denominator. Ni macam kat atas je tu ya soalan dia sama ni. 2x plus 1. Okay, ni kamu boleh simplify lah semua ni. X plus 1, x minus 3 plus 2x plus 1. Okay, then we use table of sign. Okay, we use table of sign because this is rational inequalities. Determine the value of x first ya. determine the value of x for numerator and denominator ya. Dia boleh tu buat sendiri ya. Ada dua table lah. And then combine your two answers in one number line and find the intersection between two lines. Sebab dia adalah and. Okay. So number 4 is indices. Okay, this is 3 power x. Okay, find 3 power of x here. So 3x squared times 3 power of 1 ya. Minus 28 times 3 power of x. That's 9 equal 0. So nampak ni ada 3 power of x. Here also 3 power of x. So let 3 power of x is a. So 3a squared minus 28a plus 9 equal 0. Okay, then factorize because this is quadratic equation. Okay, find your a. A dapat berapa? Then ganti baliklah ya. A kamu tadi apa? Boleh? Change to same base ya. Change to same base. Change to base 3 lah tu nanti. Then you get value of x. Boleh? Okay, question 5. Cuba tengok question 5. 5 is log with same base. Okay, base dia semua sama. Change base. Change base. Same base. Same base. So mula-mula kamu buat apa dulu ni? Kita nampak 3 tu.
3 log.
So 3 equals to what? 3 equals to what?
Log 2 base power of 3.
Yes, 3 equals to sebab semua sekarang ni soalan dia base 2 ya. Semua soalan dia base 2. So 3 equals to 3 log 2 base 2 lah macam tu kan. Because log 2 base 2 is 1. And then we simplify ya. Simplify. So dia jadi log 2 power of 3 base 2. Law number 3 ya. Okay, 3 is log 2 cube base 2. Okay. So log x minus 2 base 2. So 3 equals to log 2 cube base 3. Base 2 minus log x plus 1 ya. X plus 1 base 2. Log 1 plus x base 2. Okay, ni sama-sama dengan log 2 cube lah base 2. And then lepas tu buat apa? We can apply law number what?
Number 2.
Number 2 untuk minus ni ya. Okay, untuk yang minus tu. So law number 2 ya. Law number 2 is 5 minus x over x minus 2 base 2. So dia jadi single log ya. Multiply, divide, log become single ya, ingat. Over, okay, 2 cube. 2 cube is 8 ya. 8 over 1 plus x. Okay, terus cari value dia lah 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. And now we have single log both sides with same base. Therefore, 5 minus x over x minus 2 equal 8 over 1 plus x. Okay, so we want to find the value of x. This is equation ya, equation. So we can cross multiply. Okay, 8x minus 16. Boleh ya? So ni dah boleh buat lah kot ya ni. Ni expand. And here is rearrange. Equal 0. Ya? Boleh? And then you have to factorize back ya. Kena factorize balik. Kenapa? Sebab kita nak value x tu. Okay, ni expand ya. Ni kamu expand lah. Expand. Solve dengan sebelah ni. And factorize back Then we get two values of x. So tengok kalau x tu negatif, kita tak ambil lah. Ambil yang positif sahaja.
Cikgu tengok atas.
Ada soalan tak? Any question?
No,
Tak ada.
madam.
Okay, now is number 6. Number 6 is rational inequalities. Okay, for rational inequalities, we rearrange. Okay, rearrange saja. So 1 over 2x minus 1, this is positive, become negative. 1 over x plus 2, less 0. Then equalize denominator. So your denominator is 2x minus 1, x plus 2, less 0. Okay, simplify your numerator. So we get minus x plus 3. Okay, 2x minus 1, x plus 2, less 0. For numerator, we use table of sign. Okay, we use table of sign. So determine your x for numerator is 3. Value of x for denominator is half and minus 2. Okay. Lepas tu pakailah table of sign kamu ya. Kan, betul kan? So negative x plus 3, 2x minus 1, x plus 2, answer. So we start from negative infinity, half, 2, 3, and positive infinity. Okay, so no equal sign, so all we use empty circle. So boleh letaklah sign kat situ ya. Boleh letaklah sign kat situ. Then find your final answer. Boleh? Number 7A pun samalah. Number 7A, what method we use? Number 7A. We can use basic definition of squaring both side ya. Tapi untuk soalan macam ni senang kita pakai basic definition sahaja. Okay, x squared minus x minus 3. Satu positive 3. Satu lagi adalah negative 3. Okay, basic definition. One positive, another one is negative. And then rearrange sahaja. Negative 3 minus 3 is minus 6. Then we factorize. So we get what? Boleh factorize tak ni? 2 kan? 2 dengan 3. So positive, negative. Okay, therefore your x negative 2, x is 3 ya. So ni pun samalah, x squared minus x equal to 0 right? Then we factorize x minus 1. So two values of x are 0 and 1. This is equation ya. Kalau equation kena buat apa kalau soalan equation? Kalau equation kita kena buat apa? You have to check your answers. Okay, check answer, masuk balik dalam X ni lah. Okay, 4 answers ni. Because this is equation. Okay, if equation, you have to check your answer. Then tulislah after checking, so what is your answer? Okay, boleh ya? Equation, absolute values, you have to check your answers. Okay, for question B, so that question B, this is a rational inequalities. Okay, for rational inequalities, we rearrange. Okay, rearrange for and equalize denominator. Okay, equalize terus denominator. Over x plus 2, less 0. Okay. Then simplify your numerator. So we get plus 5x. So minus 4 minus 8 is minus plus right. Less 0. Kan? Okay. Then factorize your numerator. What you get your numerator? Numerator dapat apa?
2x minus 3 and
Okay.
x,
Plus 4.
yes,
Okay, then determine your x for numerator. X for numerator is 3 over 2 and negative 4. X for denominator is minus 2. So this is rational inequalities. Use table of sign. Okay, guna sahaja table of sign. So we start from negative 4. So siapa dulu ni? 2 or 3 over 2? Siapa dulu? 2. 2, 3 over 2. And infinity. So letaklah semua, ya?
Yang denominator tu kan x equal to negative 2 ke?
Ya, minus 2. Betul-betul. Okay, so ni minus 2 lah kan? Alright. Macam tu, okay, betul ya? Then put all your signs. No equal sign, okay, tak ada equal sign tu. So all we use empty circle. Okay, so cari less 0. Tengok mana yang 0 dekat answer. Okay, tengok mana yang 0 lah. 0. Tengok mana yang negatif. Okay, tengok mana yang negatif. And write down your final answer. Semua round bracket lah kan? Sebab no equal sign. Okay, and then number 8. Number 8, boleh buat tak number 8 ni? Log with different base. Change base lah kan? 9 ya, change to base 3 ya. 9 change to base 3. So we use change base formula. Log log x base 3 over log 9 base 3 kan? Equal log x base 3 square. Ini sama macam soalan tutor kot ya. Okay, 9 is, ni nampak sama kan? Ni ada yang sama. So kita boleh buat let lah. 9 is 3 square lah ya. So log 3 base 3 lah. So terus pakai law number 3. So log 3 base 3 is 1. This is equal to log x base 3 power of 2. Okay, then let log x base 3 equal to a. So gantilah kat sini yang sama ni. So a over 2 is squared. Okay, rearrange, cross multiply ya. Cross multiply. Rearrange. Okay, and factorize. 2 minus 2a minus 1 kan. Okay, therefore a is 0, a is half. So ganti balik kat situ lah. Log x base 3 equal to 0. Change to index form. 3 power 0 is 1. Okay, lagi log x base 3 equals to half. Change to index form. X equal 3 power of half kan. Set 3 lah. Any question? Kalau different base, change base sahaja. Tukar kepada base yang rendah lah.
Madam,
Ya.
log 3x to the power of 2 tu, memang kalau split kan memang log 3x dalam kurungan dalam auto log 3x lagi lah.
Ya, betul. 2 kali.
Oh ya, tak boleh bawa ke
Tak
depan.
boleh.
Tak boleh.
Dia tak boleh. Sebab tu law of log number 3 dia tulis macam ni. Apa? Log B power A kan. So we get A log B kan. Law number 3 tu. Kalau kita boleh pakai formula law of log number 3 kat situ, formula dia ada bracket lah. Macam tu. Sekarang ni formula dia tak ada bracket. Ni formula yang betul. No bracket.
Okay.
So we cannot apply law number 3 dekat belah kanan tu ya. Tak sama sebab dia tak ada bracket. Boleh? Ada soalan lain tak? Tak ada ya. So question 9 tu boleh buat tak question 9 tu? Tu semua nampak boleh tukar kepada 2 power of x ya. Kan? 2 power of x. Okay, so 2x squared ya. Minus, kalau minus rules of indices, divide lah kan. 2 squared ya. Okay, minus 2 power of x, ini plus jadi darab. Ini 2 cube ni ya. 2 cube ni kita tukar kepada nombor lah. Cubalah tukar. Boleh tak? So here we have 2 power x, 2 power of x, 2 power of x. So ada 3 tu boleh ganti. Buat gantian. Let 2 power of x equal to a ya. So a squared over 4 kan. Minus 2a equal a minus 8. Okay, boleh ya? And then we rearrange. So a squared over 4. So negative 2a minus a is minus 3a plus 8 equal 0. Rearrange ya. Then we want denominator equal to positive 1. So all terms be times with 4. So a squared minus 12a plus 32 kan. Equal to 0. Boleh? Then we factorize lah. Apa dia punya belakang ni?
8 dengan 4.
4 and 8, yes. Okay, so your A, 4 and 8. So masuk balik dalam yang kita buat assumption tadi. Senang je kan? 2 power of x equal to 4. 4 is 2 squared, x is 2. Another one, 2x is 8. 8 is 2 cube, x is 3. Okay, apply rules of indices untuk tolak dengan tambah tu ya. A power m minus n is a power of m over kan a power of n kan, divide. A power of m plus n equal a power of m times a power of n. Okay, apply rules of indices ya. Dekat sinilah ni dengan ni. Apply rules of indices. Okay, now is number 10. So number 10A pakai apa number 10A tu? Number 10A kamu guna apa? What method we use if we have modulus both sides?
Squaring.
Yes, SBS saja ya. SBS saja sebab kita nampak ni ada modulus both sides, so we use SBS. Okay, and then expand saja. 4 minus 24x plus 9x squared less x squared plus 6x plus 9 ya. Betul ke? And then we rearrange lah ya. Rearrange, make sure A kita positive. So we get 5x squared. 24 minus 6 is minus 30, right? 4 minus 9, negative 5 less 0. Betul ke? Ini kenapa 24? Salah kan 24 tu? Kan? Ni not 24 kan? 12 kan? So negative 12 minus 6 is minus 18. Betul ke? Korang ni kira ke tak kira ni?
Madam, kenapa Madam,
Ya.
kenapa 5x bukan 8x?
Yelah tu lah. Tu saya suruh kamu kira. Kalau tak nanti saya buat salah. Betul tak ni?
Betul.
Betul dah ya? Okay, then you factorize lah. Factorize dapat apa? Tu dia lah kamu punya factorize. So this is quadratic inequalities. So we use graphical method. Okay, your A is positive. So opens upwards. Okay, less 0 shaded below the x-axis. And write down your answer lah. Dapat berapa kat situ ya? Kena factorizekan ya, factorizekan saja. Okay, for question B, macam mana nak buat question B tu? If x plus 1 show that. Macam mana kamu buat tu? Yang Roman 1 tu.
Dia kena tunjukkan lah nak jadikan 2x tolak 1 sampai ke x tambah 1 balik. Macam tu lah.
Tak. Bukan macam tu. Bukan macam tu ya. Okay, kita ambil daripada sini lah. Dia kata, ni dah 0 ya. Yang penting kita nampak 0 kat belah kanan tu. Okay, so if x plus 1 less than 0, so x plus 1 less than 0, therefore x less than negative 1. Betul ya? X less than negative 1. So maksud dia value of x dia adalah from negative infinity to negative 2 lah. Okay, sorry, from negative infinity to negative 1. Okay, tapi negative 1 tu excluded. Okay, negative 1 is excluded ya. Ini value of x dia ya. Ini value of x dia. So we choose any value of x. Pilih saja apa-apa value of x yang kamu nak. Contohnya saya nak ambil x is minus 2 lah. Okay, let's say we choose x equals to negative 2. Okay, then we substitute here. So 2, negative 2, minus 1. Tengok betul tak we get less than 0? Dapat tak less than 0? Here we get negative 8, right? Negative 8 is less than 0. Betul kan?
Betul.
So, shown lah. Macam tu saja. Yang penting 0 tu. Kita ada 0 kat belah kanan tu dulu.
Maknanya boleh substitute apa-apa nilai ya?
Yes, any value nak masuk negative 5 boleh, negative. As long as dia less than negative 1. Value of x tu. Ni. Dia punya value of x dia. As long as your x is less than negative 1. Any value, ganti saja dekat x ni. Nak mudah saya ambil minus 2 lah. Okay, kalau masuk 0 boleh tak kita gantikan x dengan 0?
Tak boleh.
Kenapa tak boleh?
Sebab tak apa.
Sebab dia tak ada dalam ni. kita nak value ni sahaja yang kita gantikan tu. Okay. Value from negative infinity to negative 2 lah sebenarnya, sebab negative 1 tu excluded, kita tak boleh ambil ya. Round bracket. Okay, Roman 2 tu macam mana kalau nak buat Roman 2 tu? Boleh tak kita ganti terus sekarang ni X tu? Boleh ke tak boleh?
Tak boleh.
Tak
Kenapa
boleh.
tak boleh? Kenapa tak boleh?
Ada dua tu. Pindahkan jadi
Yes,
kosong.
kita nak kanan tu 0 ya. Kita nak kanan tu 0. Macam soalan A tadi boleh terus substitute. Because at your right side is already 0. Yang Roman 1 tadi. At your right side is already 0, so we can substitute direct sajalah. For question Roman 2, you have to simplify. Okay, rearrange. And equalize denominator. Okay, equalize denominator. Ni kita nak 0 ni. Okay, and then we simplify lah. So we get what? 2 minus 2x is 0, negative 1 minus 2, negative 1 minus 2 berapa? Minus 3, right? Greater 0. Okay, masa ni baru kita gantilah. Tadi saya pilih apa tadi? X equal to negative 2 kan? So sekarang ni nak ambil X lain pula. Let's say lah X equals to nak ambil apa? Yang from negative infinity to negative 1 tu. Any value. Let's say kita ambil lah X is negative 3 lah contoh ya. X is negative 3. Negative 3 ni ada dalam ni ya. Ada kat dalam tu. So ganti tengok. Dapat tak dia greater 0? Negative 3 plus 1 berapa? Negative 3, 1 minus 3 minus 2, right? So we get positive 3 over 2. Betul tak dia greater than 0? Betul lah ni. Greater than 0. So shown. Boleh? Kita ganti X tu bila kita nampak 0 dekat belah kanan ni. Okay, nampak 0 dekat belah kanan tu. Okay, for question 11, ini pun samalah ya. Ni ada dalam Pspm chapter 1 ni. Dia termasuk kat dalam tu, kat dalam chapter ni. Okay, number 12. Buat macam mana number 12 tu? Number 12, we simplify ya. Use rules of indices. 3x plus 3 cube over 3x. Okay, equal 12. So nampak ni sama. So buat assumption lah. A plus 3 cube is 27, right? Over A minus 12 equal 0. Okay, so this is equation. So kita boleh buat denominator equal to positive 1. Yeah. Therefore, we get A squared minus 12A plus 27 equal 0 ya. Let 3x equal to A. Then factorize. Okay, macam biasalah. Boleh saja factorize ni. Berapa kat dalam ni? 9 and 3 Okay, therefore your A, 3 and 9. Okay, 3x is 3, so x equal to 1. Boleh ya? 3x is 9, x is 2. Boleh ke?
Boleh, boleh.
Okay, number 13 pun samalah. Number 13 is rational inequalities. Rearrange and equalize denominator ya. Rearrange and equalize denominator. Ada negatif tu ya. Ni positif become negative. So jangan lupa ada bracket. 6 minus x, x minus 1 less 0. Okay, so we simplify the numerator. We get 2x negative 7. Okay, denominator tak perlu expand. Okay, denominator tak payah nak expand. So determine your x for numerator. Numerator is 7 over 2. X for denominator is 6 and 1. Okay, so we have 3 linear factors. Then we use table of sign. Okay, kita guna table of sign ya. So 2x minus 7, 6 minus x, x minus 1 from negative infinity. Siapa dulu? 6 ke 7 over 2 dulu ah? Kamu susun lah ya ni. Kamu susun saja. 1. Okay, boleh? 6 ke 7 over 2 dulu?
7 over
7 over 2 dulu. 6 positive infinity. Boleh ya? Nampak ni kan? Ni value dia adalah 6 kan? So x dia adalah negatif. So ni negatif lah ya. Belakang dia positif. Okay? Positif, positif, positif. Ada siapa masalah lagi tak nak letak sign ni? Ada tak siapa yang tak clear lagi? How to put all these sign? Tak ada ya? So negatif, positif, negatif, negatif. So no equal sign, okay, no equal sign. So we use all empty circle. Saya salah letak ke ni ya? Ada salah tak sign ni? Oh ni positif kan? So negatif, negatif, positif lah. So less zero yang ni ya. Boleh? Union 6 infinity. Ada soalan tak? Rational inequalities. For rational inequalities. Okay, number 14. Boleh buat tak number 14 tu? Number 14 kita guna apa? Number 14. Equation. Use basic definition ya. Basic definition macam tadi lah. Satu positif. Satu lagi negatif. And then we rearrange and factorize. Then find your x. Two values of x. Okay, ni pun samalah. Rearrange. 4 minus 11 berapa? 7
Negative 7.
Negative 7. Factorize. Okay, then find your x. So equation jangan lupa check. Check your answer ya. Check jawapan tu. Equation. Equation absolute values. Okay, question B, sini question B tu. Question B ni kita simplify dulu ya. Ni pindah sini dulu. So we get negative x plus 2 over x minus 4. 5 minus 2 is 3 lah. Okay, so untuk mudahkan kerja kita tak nak negatif ni ya. Jadikan dia positif, so we times with negative 1. So when we times with negative 1, you have to change your sign of inequality. Less become greater. So 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. Okay, itulah soalan yang kita dah simplify lah. Then we rearrange and equalize denominator. Okay, negative 3 become positive 3. Equalize denominator. Greater 0. Okay. So you simplify your numerator. So your numerator we get 4x. 2 minus 12 kan? 2 minus 10 Okay, over x minus 4. So this is rational inequalities. Use table of sign Guna table of sign. So keluarkan table of sign kamu. Boleh tak? And write down your answer. Okay, number 15, we have modulus. Nampak kita ada modulus kat situ. At one side, okay, inequalities involving absolute values. So kita pakai apa ni?
Goal.
Goal, yes. goal ya, sebab dia ada modulus. So greater is or. So x minus 1, x plus 3, greater 2 or satu positif, satu lagi negative. Okay, and then we rearrange and equalize denominator. Positive 2 become negative 2 times x plus 3 greater 0. So ni pun sama jugalah, rearrange and equalize denominator. Negative 2 become positive 2 times x plus 3 less than 0. Okay, then simplify your numerator. Then buatlah dua table of sign ya. Keluarkan dua table of sign and combine all your answers at a number line. Okay, dan tengoklah dia tadi apa? Or kan, kalau or fine. Union ya, all must shaded. Semua mesti shaded ya. So ni buatlah table, tapi kena simplify dulu. Fraction tu tak simplify lagi tu. Okay, find table, use table of sign, find your x for numerator, x for denominator. No equal sign ya, tak ada equal sign, maksud dia semua kita pakai empty circle sahaja. Okay, for question B, kita tengok question B. Show that, okay, mula kita kena show dulu lah ni. We have to show first, okay, kena show dulu ni. Okay, we start from left hand side ya. Kalau show kita kena start dari left hand side lah. So your left hand side is 2x times 4 power 2x over 8 power x. So 2 and 4 we change to the simplest base 2. 4 is 2 squared. Okay, so dia ada 2x kat luar tu. 8 is 2 power cube x. Okay, semua base yang sama, then we can apply rules of indices. So darab jadi tambah. Ini boleh darab ya, plus 4x. So divide rules of indices is minus 3x. So we get what? 5 minus 3 is 2x. Okay, so this is equal to right hand side. Okay, boleh ya? Show dulu. Lepas kita show, suruh jawab soalan ni lah. Ini soalan dia. So yang ni sama dengan atas ni ya tadi, yang kita show tadi. This is equals to 2 power of 2x. So kita ganti saja 2 power of 2x. Okay, minus 13 times 2 power of x plus 36 greater equal 0. Okay, boleh? So ni 2 power of x, kita jadi keluarkan 2 power of x kat situ juga. Squared lah, so dia jadi squared minus 13 times 2 power of x plus 36 greater equal 0. Nampak ni sama. So kalau sama, 2x equal to a ya, buat assumption. So a squared minus 13a plus 36 greater equal 0. Okay, then we factorize ya. 4 and 9 minus greater equal 0. Therefore your a is 4, a is 9. Boleh ke? Then we substitute back to x equals to 4. 4 is 2 squared, so x is 2. Okay, yang 9 tu macam mana? Yang 9 tu? 2x equal to 9. So kalau macam ni, this is same base, so we can convert its power. Kalau base tak sama macam ni, kita boleh buat apa? Kalau if different base, how to find x? We can log out both sides saja. Okay, therefore x equal to log 9 over log 2. Any question? Ada
Madam,
soalan tak?
madam, log
Ya, ya.
kalau log 9 divided with log 2, nanti kalau dapat point-point tu macam mana?
Ambil yang 2 dp. At least 2 dp.
Okay.
Memang akan dapat decimal lah kat situ. Okay, for question number 16. For question number 16. Okay, to the number 16. Okay, here we simplify. Okay, here we can simplify. We get three, use rules of indices ya. Rules of indices. A power of A power n, 1 over A power n is A power of negative n. So kita boleh apply kat situ lah. We get 3 power of y. Okay. Then how to find y? We log both sides. Ya, log both sides saja. Y minus 2 equal log 3 power y. Then we apply law number 3 ya. Apply law number 3. Y log 3. So ingat ya, kita nak y ya. Kita nak y. So you have to expand first. So y log 4 minus 2 log 4 equal y log 3. So kumpulkan yang mana kamu nampak y. Ini y, ini pun y. So rearrange. So y log 4 minus y log 3. So we rearrange inilah 2 log 4. Okay. Then we factorize y. So we get log 4 minus log 3 equal. Okay, this is log 16 lah ya. 4 squared. 4 squared is 16. Therefore, your y is log 16 over log 4 minus log 3. Okay, tekan saja calculator. Okay, tekan saja calculator. Number 17, log juga, log with different base. Change base sahaja ya. Number 17, boleh? Number 17 tu change base ya. Change to base what? Change base log.
Base 2.
Change to base 2 ya. Log x base 2 over. Ni dah base 2. Saya silap. Yang belah sana kan. Okay, change to base 2. So 2 plus log x base 2 equal 15 log 2 base 2 over log x base 2. So ni sama. So boleh buat assumption ya. Log 2 base 2 is 1. So 2 plus a equal 15 over a kan. Okay, 15 over a. Let ya, buat let lah. Let log x base 2 equal to a. And then all we times with a squared plus 2a minus 15 equal 0. Then we factorize ya. So minus plus. Okay, so ganti balik lah. Log x base 2 equal to 3. Change to index form. Okay, satu lagi pun sama. 32 kan? 2 power 5 is 32. Okay, so number 18 pun sama lah ya. To number 18 tu rules of indices. Number 19 search SBS saja ya. Number 19 SBS. 19B change to base 2 ya. Change to base 2. Number 20A we use basic definition. Satu positif, satu lagi negatif. Okay, number 21 and 22 pun sama ya. Change 22 change to base 3 ya. Number 22 change to base 3. Okay. Semua tu rasa boleh buat kot ya. 23A ni, 23A ni boleh buat tak nombor 23A ni? 23A, 27 kita semua tukar kepada change to simplest base. Change to simplest base ya. 27 is 3 cube, right? 1 to 5 is 5 cube. Okay. 25 is 5 square. 9 is 3 square. Okay, simplify. Kat luar ada 4x. Tu pun samalah. 9 is 3 square. 25 is 5 square. Power of x minus 3. 6 to 5 is apa? 5, 4. 81 is 3, 4. Okay, power of 2. Semua change to simplest base ya. Then here we get 3 over 5, power of 6, 5 over 3, power of 8x equal 3 over 5, power of 2x minus 6, 5 over 3, power of 8. Boleh tak kita darab ni? Or compare? Can we compare now? Ke darab? Bolehkah kita darab ni?
Boleh compare kot.
Boleh compare? Boleh compare sekarang?
Tak tahu lah. Medium lagi tahu lah.
Base tak sama. Different base.
Tak boleh.
Tak boleh. Different base. So we cannot compare. Okay, nak bagi base sama, macam mana kita nak bagi base sama? Kat sini. Jadikan base sama. Macam mana kita nak jadikan base sama? Sama dengan sebelah dia tu. So 3 over 5 power 6. So ia jadi okay, minus 8x. Reciprocal ya. Tu pun sama. Tukar, kita nak same base. Times 3 over 5 minus 8. Bila base dah sama, baru kita boleh apply rules of indices. Same base times. So power kita tambah. So 6 minus 8x lah kan. Okay, 6 minus 8x. Boleh ke? Okay, ni bila kamu terbalikkan, dia positif jadi negatif ya. Ini pun sama, kita terbalikkan. Kenapa kita terbalikkan? Sebab kita nak bagi sama dengan yang sebelah ni. So, positif power jadi negatif power. So, belah sana pun samalah. 3 over 5 power to x minus 6. So, minus 8. Rules of indices ya. Boleh? So now we have same base both sides. Therefore, we can compare its power. Equal to x minus 14 kan? Ya, betul ya? So here we get negative 10x negative 20 kan? Therefore, your x is 2. Ini tak boleh darab tau, tak boleh darab, tak boleh compare, tak boleh buat apa-apa lagi kat situ. Yang kita boleh buat adalah tukar base ni. Tukar sama dengan base sebelah dia. Bila dah tukar, bila base dah sama, baru kita boleh apply rules of indices. Okay, boleh ya. So chapter 2 harap tak ada masalah. Yang lain tu boleh tu rearrange kan, and equal denominator tu pun sama. 26A pun apa? Change to base 2. Yang B ni you have to simplify first. 1 over 2 and then goal. Okay, tu saja kan. Creator all lah. Simplify. Kita kena buat modulus ni as a subject ya. So any question? Ada soalan tak? Tak ada. Tak ada ya?
Tak ada madam.
Tak ada.